Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest, but honestly most underrated tricks in Google Sheets, how to switch to full screen mode with just one step. If you ever feel cramped by all the menus and toolbars or just want a completely clean view of your spreadsheet, this quick trick will give you a distraction-free workspace in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make any Google Sheets file go full screen instantly and just as easily return back when you're done. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, make sure you've got your Google Sheet open and that you're logged in. Now here's the magic move. Look up at the top of your screen and find the menu labeled View. It should be nestled right alongside familiar tabs like File, Edit, and Insert. Go ahead and click on View. You'll see a drop-down menu appear and tucked inside is the option called Full Screen. Simply click that and like magic, your entire sheet expands to fill your entire screen. Why bother with this? Well, switching to full screen mode can really clear away the visual clutter. All the ribbons, menus, toolbars, even your browser tabs just disappear for now, leaving you with a nice large canvas that's perfect if you're working with a big dataset, giving a presentation, or even just want to focus in without distractions. It's like shutting the door to a bustling office and getting a moment of quiet just for your sheets. When you're in full screen, everything you need to see is front and center. No more squinting at cells or scrolling left and right because a menu was in the way. And don't worry, nothing's deleted or hidden permanently. The menus are just temporarily tucked away to give you all the space you need. For anyone who's ever tried to clean up a messy data table or show off a chart to a colleague, you'll really appreciate having this generous view. Now, what if you want to get back to normal view? Exiting full screen is just as easy. All you need to do is press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's the ESC button usually found up on the top left of your keyboard. As soon as you tap it, everything returns, menus, tabs, the whole setup comes right back like drawing back a curtain. But let's say you're on a device where Escape isn't so easy to reach, or maybe you're more comfortable using your mouse. No worries, just right-click on any cell, literally any spot in your spreadsheet, and in the menu that pops up you'll see an option called Exit Full Screen. Click that and again you're right back to your standard view. So to recap, to see your Google Sheet in full screen, just head to View and select Full Screen. And when you want to come back, either press Escape or right-click any cell and choose Exit Full Screen. That's all there is to it. Sometimes the best tools are the simplest, especially when they help you focus and get the most out of your workspace. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick tip makes your next Google Sheets session just a little bit smoother. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if there are other Google Sheets tips or tricks you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. See you next time.